Want to create scroll-stopping YouTube shorts that explode your channel, all with the power of Canva? Let's dive in. First, head to Canva and search for YouTube Shorts. This will give you the perfect 916 vertical canvas size. You can start from a blank slate or browse through their amazing pre-made templates for beginners. Templates are a lifesaver. Choose one that vibes with your content. Once you've picked a template, it's time to customize. Click on any element, text, images, shapes, and tweak it. Change the text to fit your message. Use the font drop-down to try different font styles and play with the color palette to match your branding. To make your short even more engaging, try adding some animation. Select an element, click on Animate, and choose from different animation styles like fade, pawn, or pop. Keep it subtle though. Too much animation can be distracting. Now pictures or videos are important to grab people's attention. Upload your own images and videos by dragging and dropping them into Canva. Or use Canva's built-in library of stock photos and footage. Just search for what you need and add to your short, then resize and position it to perfection. If you need to add some flair, Canva has loads of free design elements available. You can go to the Elements tab where you can search for lines, stickers, graphics, and more. Just refine your search to find the perfect accent for your short. Before you export, preview your whole short from start to finish to spot any mistakes or last-minute tweaks. Once you're satisfied, hit that download button. Choose MP4 as your file type for the best compatibility on YouTube, and that's it. You are ready to upload your high-quality short to YouTube and watch those views roll. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.